Today I'm going to teach you how to plot your drawing into PDF. Okay, so I will share my screen now. AutoCAD share screen. Alright, so now you have already done your drawing. Okay, in the layout one, you have your title block. Okay, you have your logo, project title, drawing title, skill, date drawn by, ID, check by, drawing number, check. Make sure everything is correct. Write your name here, write the date. Make sure this, the window here is the, oh, some of you asked me what if your, what if your title block is very big, right? Oh, sorry, undo, copy this, CO, copy. Some of your, okay, let me see skill SC, let's say 100. Okay, some of your drawing is so big, and then the window is so small only. It's okay, never mind. As long as your drawing is following the A3 size. How to check? Okay, you just click the I for distance, the I space, and then you check here from the first point to the second point. Make sure it is 297. Okay, make sure the I here from the vertical here to here is 297, then is correct. Then is your A3. Then check the horizontal. From here to here is 430. If it is correct, no matter if it's big or small, it is correct. Okay, if this one, let's say your drawing is so big, okay, you can enlarge your window. Let me show you. Okay. This first. Okay, you can enlarge your window like this. This one is your window. Is your I mean layout. Viewport. You can copy, CO copy from here to here. Okay, then it's very small. How to enlarge? You just click and then click this point, and then enlarge it to here. Ta-da! That's all. Then you have your window. Then you just double click here to zoom into your drawing. That's all. Okay, then use the magic word lah. Z space 1/75 XP. Then it will automatically zoom for you because mine, this one is too big, so it is zoom very far away. So don't worry, you just follow step by step what I teach. Don't worry. Okay. So if you have any question, please voice message to ask me. Don't type because some of you, I can't really understand what are you asking. Okay. So you need to voice message to ask me. Even you record the video and show me what is the problem. Okay, you don't ask me in words. If you can screenshot, please screenshot. If you can record video to show me your problem, please record. Okay, if you want to call me, please call me. Don't type. Okay, if you type, you cannot explain it clearly. I also don't know what are you asking. All right. Okay, so we are going to plot it now. How to plot? First of all, Control P. Okay, I repeat, Control P. Ta-da! Then you will see this batch plot. You just click continue to plot a single sheet. Okay, continue, and you can click this. Don't show me this. Okay, continue to plot a single sheet. Then you will come out to this plot. Some of you, you straight away click Control P. Then you will come out with this already. No need to show the window just now, right? Then first of all, okay, you need to choose the plotter. Okay, from here, the name, choose DWG to PDF. Okay, this one, it means from drawing to PDF file. Why we need to plot it to PDF? So that you can send to me, so that you can send to the printing shop to print out your homework for submission. Okay, we cannot send the drawing in AutoCAD in the printing shop because the printing shop, maybe they don't have AutoCAD software to open your file. You need to plot it to a format that every computer can open, even for your phone. Okay, for your phone. So you don't need to screenshot anymore. You just click this DWG to PDF. Then choose your paper size. Make sure it's A4. Oh, sorry, A3. ISO A3. So you can see the mm 420297. Either this or this is okay. All right, then what to plot from here, change to window. Once you click the window, it will jump out back to your drawing here. It will be asking you which one are you want to plot, which do you want to plot. So I choose the first picture, first drawing here. Okay, then after I choose, click this fit to paper. Make sure this is thick. Make sure your whole drawing is fit into this A3 paper. All right, and then choose the plot style to monochrome. Some of you don't have this. Some of you are like this. You just click this more option. Okay, more option. Choose monochrome. All right, choose monochrome so that you print out in black and white. Some of you have a lot of color lines, right? Green line, yellow line, never mind. Just choose the monochrome so that your print is black and white. All right, and then plot object line width tick, plot with plot style tick, plot paper space last tick. Then this one, portrait or landscape, it depends on just now here which one you choose. If I choose this, then I choose landscape. If I choose this, then I choose portrait. Oh no, landscape also. Okay, so no matter which one you choose, also landscape lah. Then before you click OK, okay, you just click preview here. Preview to see. Okay, let's check 100% carefully whether it's correct or not. To zoom in, you just click and drag to check your drawing. Okay, is this correct? Is this correct? Okay, is this correct? Is everything correct or not? Okay, after you check, you just close this window here. Close preview window. Then you just click OK. Once you click OK, it will ask you, where do you want to save your file? All right. So I will recommend you to go back to the desktop, create a new folder, name it as AutoCAD 1. All right. And then go into the new folder, name your drawing. Always name your drawing. Always 20200707 underscore. Okay. Assignment 1, or you can put your drawing number lah. Okay, Vivian 001A. If this is not a correction, then maybe it's for correction 001B. Up to you. Put your own drawing number. Okay, then make sure the file type is PDF. Then you just click save. Ta-da! Then you will come out with you will have this PDF file now. Okay. Then from here, you can go to the WhatsApp. Okay, go to AutoCAD. Then you can, here, you can attach the document, or attach document, go to desktop, go to AutoCAD 1, and send me this drawing. Okay, you can straight away click send, then you can send me the PDF. No need to screenshot anymore. All right. So then it will tell you plot and publish job complete, done. Then you can plot for the second one lah. Okay, I show you Control P, drawing to PDF, ISO A3, window, the second assignment, second page fit to paper, monochrome, tick tick tick, landscape preview. Okay, check everything correct, close the preview window, click OK. Click OK, save 00707, assignment 1, Vivian 002A, save. Okay, then you have your PDF file. Ta-da! Done! Okay, so some of you may think that it is too many steps, right? I want to plot the third file too many steps, too difficult. So you just Control P. Okay, now you set all the settings. You need to name the plotter, choose the paper size, choose the plot area, choose the plot scale. Very, very difficult, very time consuming. So you can just go to the name here and choose previous plot. Haha. Let's try. Once I click previous plot, you see? Everything set for me. They will follow the setting of your last plotting setting. Drawing to PDF done. ISO A3 done. Window done. Fit to paper done. Monochrome done. Everything done. Landscape done. Plot option done. You just need to choose the window here. There is a window here. You just click this and choose the third one. You don't need to do again. Then you go to preview, check whether this is the third one or not. Yes, you can see the drawing number here, 03. Okay, you can zoom in and check. Zoom and check. Once it's done, close. Then you just okay and save as 3A. Very, very fast, right? Then just save. Ta-da! Okay, same goes to the fourth one. Control P, go to the previous plot. Just choose the window. Just choose the fourth one. Okay, go to preview. Check everything, is it correct? Check. Okay, done, close, save, okay. And then just click this and choose number 4A. Save. Very fast. Very fast, you can plot the PDF. All right, so today you are going to send me your PDF file for these 4 drawings. Let me go back to the model. Okay, make sure this is done, drawing 1. Make sure your bed's done, sofa done, table done, everything is done. Kitchen sink, wardrobe, doors and windows, everything is done. Okay? All right. So, are you ready for the second assignment? Finally, we are going to move to interior design. This is what I want to show you. This. We are going to draw this existing layout plan, exactly 100% the same. Okay, some of the measurement you can agak-agak, that means roughly. For example, I can show you, it is mentioned here, this is 2280. Okay, if you notice, it is from the wall, center of the wall to the center of the wall. What is the thickness for wall? 150. You should know this already. So from here, the center of the wall to the center of the wall for this bathroom is 2280. Okay, but some, like this small little living room wall here, it is not shown. The measurement is not shown, so you can just roughly put it. All right, so let's start the party. Let's start. Okay, so from here, you need to open a new file. Okay, go to new drawing. Okay, new drawing. Just click open. Then you will have this new drawing. What is the first step you need to do when you open your new file? Unit setup. Still remember or not? Unit setup. Okay, go to drawing utilities. Go to units. This is the first lesson. Okay, make sure you change from inches to millimeters. Okay. Then you just click OK. Okay, after you have done everything, you can start. Okay, you can put your drawing side by side like this, left, right. Okay, or you want to use your phone to refer back. I will send you this PDF file. Don't worry. Okay, then you can start. Let me close this property so I have more space. So first of all, 2280, you just draw L. Make sure you on your F8. Okay, so that you can draw 90-degree horizontal line. 2280. Okay, escape. It is very, very far away. Okay, then you just draw down and then 4750. Continue. Like this first. Okay, 4750. Okay, let me off the grid first. F7 off grid. Move it up. Okay, then 2700. Okay, here 2700. All right, and then 4570. Here 4570. Okay, then you can start to draw Draw here. 3885. Okay, 3885. Okay. Then 1885. Okay. One eight eight five. Continue. 3530. 3530. Okay. Then okay, now I want to follow this, so I just go to the top, make sure it's endpoint, and then I can just close this. Okay. So now I want to draw this buff. Oh, I still need the measurement here. Okay, okay, now the buff, you just, okay, we draw the outside first, we offset. Okay, so because it is from center point, so you need it to offset. Okay, some of you will tell me offset 150 for the wall, but it's not because it is at the center, so you need to offset 75 left and 75 right. Okay, so O for offset 75. Okay. Okay. Before we offset, we use polyline to draw the wall first. Okay, polyline or rectangle. Okay, let's try rectangle. Rectangle, you draw, because this is just for reference, rectangle, then you can offset 75, offset out, and offset in. Okay, then you will have the wall ready. Okay, then you can delete the center one. Okay. All right, so now the buff. Okay, we draw this first. We draw this. Okay, extend this. How to extend? Extend. Extend the line. Extend the line first. Okay, then you offset 75. 75 to the left, 75 to the right. Okay, left and right. Okay. Here as well, offset 75 up and down. Okay, refresh. All right, so now you can draw, you know here already. Okay, so you know which one you need to trim. First of all, you need to trim the dining area here. TR double space, trim off. Here also trim off. Then what else? Here, yeah, both this one also need to trim off. Okay, here also need to trim off. Okay, because this one until here only, trim off. Here also trim off. Okay, then this one you need to move up. Okay, move up because it's not here. Move up. Move up how much? Let's move 2,000. Okay, this one is roughly. Okay, then you see it's not so big, right? The bathroom 5. So move up more, maybe another 500. Okay, then you will have this bath. Then you can delete the center one. Delete the center one. Okay, then you can trim off TR. Trim off here. Trim off here. Trim off. Okay. Then you will have the bath 5, wet kitchen. Okay, this one also no need, but you need to move down here. Okay, so you can use back the measurement here, DI, distance to measure. Here, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, here you also can do 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, line, move up 1, 2, 3, 5. Offset 150, offset. Okay, delete the center one. PR, double click, trim off, trim off, trim off. Then you have buff 6. All right, we do the wall first, then only we do the door. Okay, then here, all right, here got a small little wall here. Okay, you just move it down. Let's move to 700. Okay, delete this, trim off this, delete the center one. Okay, then stretch. Have I teach you stretch? Okay, as for stretch, you select this end to end point, spacebar, and then just move it in. Let's move it 1500. This one just roughly. Okay, then close it. PR space, trim off here. Okay, now this one you need to trim off. You need to trim off here. So this one extend, PR, double space, trim off this, delete this. Okay, so this one is for the kitchen and tree. Here got another one. You see that? Copy. CO copy. Move up. Okay, move up. Let's do 2000. Okay, then trim. PR, double space, trim off. Escape. Okay. Ta-da! You have the bulb 5, red kitchen, laundry area, and buff 6 now. All right. You can still adjust if you think that it is too long. You can use stretch. Select the end point. Okay, you can still stretch it. Stretch it. Okay, you want to stretch it shorter. Let's make it short 200. Okay, you can still adjust. All right, dining area. Then here. Okay, if you look at this carefully, this dining area, the wall is not lying under the grid C. Okay, you have grid A, B, C, D, E, right? It's not lying under the grid C, so you need to move in a bit. All right. So first of all, we trim off this first. Then here we need to stretch it. Select this. I repeat. S to stretch. Okay, I stretch this whole wall. Okay, spacebar. Stretch it in. 1000. 1000. Try. Let's try. Okay. It looks quite similar. All right. It's okay. Then, okay, it's time to do this one. Small little wall. Okay. You just stretch S. Select this that you want to stretch down, spacebar. Okay, click. Oh no, cannot stretch like this. Cannot stretch like this. Then we delete the center one first. Okay, then yes, after you delete the center line, then you can stretch. S stretch this. Okay, make sure you stretch it down. How much? Let's try 3000. Okay, a little bit too long. Stretch again. Stretch it down. Let's try 400. Okay, then you can close it. Close it, then you can delete all the center line. Delete the center line. TR double, trim off, double click, trim off. Okay. Delete the center line. Trim off this. Okay. All right. So here you can see this extend. Then you can draw a line here. Select the line. Click EX to extend. Extend the line. Okay. Escape. Then you delete this. Okay. Close the line. Delete all the center line. Then trim off. ER double space. Trim off. Okay. All right, and then copy the middle wall for the stairs. This one. CO copy. Okay, go to find the midpoint. Okay, wait, let me draw another line here so that I can find the midpoint. Okay, that's the midpoint here. I copy this, CO copy, and move from midpoint, the triangle midpoint, okay, to the midpoint here. Okay, you see the midpoint, okay? Then only I delete, right? Then I trim off here. Here, this one I move, I stretch it, right? Stretch it back. Let's try 1,200. Okay, and close it. Haha, almost done, almost done. All right, here, delete the center line. Here, you see? Okay, this one is almost similar to this 1885. Okay, so we can copy, but we move it down a bit. Okay, so what you need to do? Okay, now I want to copy these two. Copy these two. CO copy, move it in here. Okay, but it is not exactly here. I move down a bit. Okay, move down. Let's try 500. Okay, I think, okay. All right, then I close it here. Offset 150 for wall. Then I trim off PR, double click, trim off. Trim off here, trim off here, trim off here. Okay, then this one, close it back. This here, I need to trim off. So this one, I extend, select this line, extend here. Okay, then I trim off here, TR, double space, trim off. Okay, trim off here also. Ta-da! If I'm not happy with this, I can still stretch. S for stretch. Stretch the whole thing here, I can stretch it up, down. Okay, let's try 250 down some more. Okay, almost done. All right. Then last part, now the interior is done. Last part is the car porch here. Okay, car porch. Okay, you can just roughly. Let me use polyline. Okay, here let's try around here. Let's try 1,500. Okay, move up. Okay, let's try 13,000. And then here. Here, I want to make it same with this, so I put down my mouse and then pull up. It will be exactly the same line with here. Okay? Then here, 150. Okay? Then I just offset 150, spacebar, offset in. Done. This one, closing. All right. That's all. Next, you need to do the grid line. Grid line, make sure you go to layer, select a new layer, name it as dotted. Change the color. This one I teach already last time. Change to, let's say, yellow. Okay, line type change from continuous. Load for this dash space. Okay, choose this one and click OK. So it is dash space. Okay, and close it. Close it. Then you can draw, and then make sure you are in the layer, dotted layer to draw the dotted line for the grid. Okay, you see now it's yellow. Okay, copy. Okay, wait. This one you need to move in. M for move. Move in 75 because it is at the center. As you can see, the B here is at the center. It's not A and B. Everything is in the center. Okay. CO copy. CO copy from the corner here to the corner here to here. The D is under here. here, and the last one is here. Okay, so this one, draw a line here, and then all this move up, move up. This one also move up and move up. Okay, then you can delete this line. Okay, so the A, B, C, D, E done. You just need to click text. Okay, and then use type in A. Okay, very small. Scale it bigger. Scale. Click 100 times bigger. Still very small. SC scale 100. Okay, too big. SC. Smaller 0.3. Okay, move up. Draw a circle. Change. Okay, the circle need to be solid line. Huh? Solid line. The number also solid line, not the just the grid line. Just the grid line is dotted on it. So the grid line also you need to extend it. Okay, you can see the grid line is until here. So we draw a line here and extend all the grids. Extend. Okay, so all the grid lines is passed through. Then we delete this line. Okay, copy A, B, C, D, E. Change to B, C, D, E. Okay, now the grid line is done. Now we do 1, 2, 3, 4 grid line. Okay, you can just copy this. Okay, rotate it. This one, rotate it back. Change to 1. Move it up. Move to here. Okay, and then move down to 75. 75, so that it is at the center. Okay, grid line is the center. All right, copy. Number 1, number 2. Number 2 is under this. Okay, wait, let me extend the line first. Extend here. Okay, so I want to copy this. CO copy. Okay, from here to here. Number 2, number 3 is here. And the last part, number 4. Okay. Then you just change number 2, change the number 3, 4. All right. Okay. All right. What's next now? The dimension. Okay. Dimension very easy lah. Mana dimension aku? Okay, let me put it bigger so that you can see this dimension. Okay, this. All right. Here to here. Oh yeah, I need to change back to 0 first. Hey, what happened? Undo. Okay. All right, before I start the dimension, forgot to tell you. You need to go to the layer. Okay, let me type in and show you. Okay, this one. This one I just now I show you already how to plot. All right. Okay, let me type in. Layers. What I need to tell you is line width. Okay. Do you know that? Let me drink water first. In technical drawing, we have different thickness pencil or technical pen. One is a thick one, 0.5, thin one is 0.1, 0.3. Okay, so in AutoCAD also we have this line weight. We need to do the setting in layers. Wall is the thickest one, 0.5. All right, for furniture, door, window, okay, we use 0.3. All right, and for small little objects such as grid, such as dimension, such as plants, some decoration, we use 0.1 or hatching, hatching, we use 0.1. Okay, this is very important, very super important. Safe. Okay, how to do this? Go to layer, LA layer, click another new layer, name it as wall. So for wall, we try another color. Let's try purple. Wall is continuous, and then here you see the line weight. It is default normally, but we don't want. We click this, we choose 0.5. You see, the thicker it is, the higher the number, so we choose 0.5 for wall. All right, click another one. Okay, we name it as furniture, door, and window. Okay, invalid characters. Door and window. Still cannot have this cross dot. Okay, this is furniture, door and window. Choose another color. Let's try green. Okay, continuous also. Please choose 0.3. All right. Then just now the dotted, we also need to change the line weight to 0.1. No 0.1, so we choose the nearest 0.09. Okay, and then we need to create another one. We name it as hatch. Okay, hatch or etc. Okay, this one change another color. Change blue. Of course, this is continuous. We want to use the solid line, continuous solid line. Then change the line weight to 0.09. Okay. All right. So now you need to group everything. Select all your wall. Select all your wall. You can use Control A to select, and then you deselect the grid line by clicking Shift. Deselect the grid line and deselect the ABCD 1, 2, 3, 4 the number, and then what is left is you select all the line, all the walls already, and then you change it to the purple color wall. So it is 0.5. Okay. What is the purpose of layer? It's very important. Once you have the layer, okay, you can on and off the grid. You see, I don't want to see the wall, I off it, then cannot see already. I on it, then can see. Okay, I off the dotted, no more grid line, and then I on it back. Okay, for 0 is the default. I off it, or cannot, because this is the current layer. It is tick in the green tick. That means you are selecting the current layer. Let's say we select the wall current layer, go back to layer, then it is green tick in the wall, then you can off the 0 layer, the default layer, then the ABCD gone. Okay, so now we want to do the dimension. Dimension is all under the, okay, here, the 0.1, actually 0.09. Okay, 0.09, because there's no 0.1, it's the nearest is 0.09. Okay, so I go to the hatch layer, then I click this, or you can use dim line, D-I-M-L-I-N, dim line, all right, to do the dimension. Okay, the dimension, just remember the right click, properties, okay, go to the text height, increase the height, 200, okay, Make sure it is visible. 200, another 250. Okay, change the architecture. Change everything lah. Architecture tick. What else? I forgot already. Primary units. Okay, you do all the setting. I just want to show you only. I don't set it all. A lot of setting else. A lot more you need to set. Okay, architecture height, all this you go and set. I just want to show you. Okay, so do for the rest. Dimension. And use match, match this to this. Okay, here as well, match. Okay, where am I? What happened? Okay, make sure it is correct. Check 2280, yes. 4750, oh, wrong already. Oh, because it is not fall under this wall, it is this wall. So this and this, I need to move it to this wall. Wait, this wall, right? Yes. I need to click the wall. I need to draw a line here to find the midpoint. Okay, so I change this to click the center, go to the midpoint here. Okay, now correct. 4750, yes. 2770, correct. Okay, so I can move it back. Move it back. Then I delete this. This line is for me to help me to find the midpoint only. Delete. Okay, correct? Yes, correct. Then find the dim line for overall. Overall, match it. 14300, correct. Okay, you do it here. This dimension, do it here for the here. Okay, I don't want to show you again. All right, what's next? Next is the name, dining area, dry kitchen, the labeling. Scale it smaller, 0.5. Name it as dining area. Okay. Too big. Scale it smaller. Dining. Next, copy. What is this? Dry kitchen. Okay. This one, living. You just name it. Okay, name all the area. Then, do you see the wall is being hatched? Okay, let me show you how to hatch the wall. First of all, we off the dotted grid first. Okay, then go to the hatch layer. Okay, now we are at the hatch layer. Okay, go click H for hatch, spacebar. Okay, now you can see hatching is actually like coloring. I want to color the wall. Let's try. You see, I want to color the wall. Click the wall. Okay, I want to color the wall. Then click escape. Automatically adjust hatch scale. Yes. Ta-da! Okay, you see I color the wall already. This is for hatch. Okay, then I want to change it to something like this. Like this. Zoom in. You can see the wall hatching is double layer. So I just select this and then go to here. I choose this. There's a lot of pattern. Okay, a lot of pattern that I can choose. A lot. Okay. So I want to choose this double layer. I adjust the scale here. Let's try 1000. Okay, still cannot see. 1000. Now you can see. Okay, let's try 700. 700 better. Okay, can see clearly. Okay, now I want to hatch for this. Okay, change to 1000. Oh no, 700. Okay, then hatch for the outside. All right, 700. I have done my hatching. Then you go back to your layer, on back your dotted grid line. Because with the dotted grid line, it will be cut. Okay, some of you may have the problem of hatching. You cannot hatch like what I did just now for the whole wall. So what I suggest to you, you can draw the rectangle like this, manually hatch. Draw the rectangle. Okay, then move out the rectangle, and then you hatch it here. If you cannot hatch overall like what I did just now, okay, then you click hatch. To hatch the wall outside. Once you've done the hatching, you move it back. You just select the hatching, move. Okay, move from this corner, okay, to this corner. Move it back. Okay. Now I have two hatching ready. I delete. Okay. If you cannot hatch overall together, then you do what I did just now. Draw the box for each box. Then the next one you draw the box here lah. Okay, then you draw the box here, then you move out and then hatch and then move in back again. All right? So, what is next? Okay, door, right? Okay, you have your door, right? Last time you draw already. Let me show you. Okay, you have the door. Where is the door? Here. You have your door here. 900, 750. Okay. So for this 900 door is actually for room. For this 750 door smaller is for bathroom. So you just copy this, Control C. Copy something in the same project, you use CO copy. To copy something from another project to another project, you use Control C and Control V. Okay, so I click Control C to copy, and then I go to here, okay, and Control V to paste the door, and delete this. Okay. Then rotate. All right. Now I want to mirror it up. Mirror because it's like this. Mirror. Okay, so I mirror. Yes. After mirror, I move it in. Move it in. Okay. Then I trim off. TR double space. Okay, wait. Before I trim off, I want to trim off the wall only and the hatching. I don't want to trim off the grid line. So normally I will off the grid line. Okay, off the yellow line, the dotted grid line. Then TR double space, trim off. Okay. Then if you notice there's one more line here, just draw it back lah. Okay. Use the wall to draw it back. Not wall. After the door open, no more wall, right? So you just use the furniture. It's actually the floor line because it's a bathroom, so it's one step down. If you don't have the line here, that means it is flat. The water will come out. So you need to draw one line here so that it is step down. You see DP50 means step down. So you use polyline to draw the arrow. Show the of the F8 so that you can draw arrow like this can already. Okay, and then DP50. DP means down, step down. Okay, step down 50. All right. Oh, sometimes AutoCAD like that. Once I trim off the hatching, the whole hatching will be gone. So I would suggest you to put in all the doors and windows first. Then after that, only you do the hatching. Okay, now is the window. So last time you draw window also, right? Here, you got window, right? Okay, just copy this copy, Control C. Go to here. Okay, Control V. Then you got the window. Okay, on the F8. Rotate, move it in. You have the window. All right? Okay, now let me ask you a question. Window and door. How much is the line weight? The answer is here. You see? Door and window is under the furniture is 0.3. Okay? So you select the door and window. Okay? Shift, select the arrow. Go to layer, change it to furniture and draw door and window. So it will become green color. So it is 0.3. Okay, done. You can just copy the window for the rest. For the kitchen, how many? 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then laundry, how much? 1, 2, 3. Then here one more door. Here one more window. Just copy lah. Okay. Just do it by yourself. And then for here. Okay, you see sometimes AutoCAD like that. Got problem. Just delete. Refresh. RE space is to refresh. Okay. Then notice, draw the stairs as well. The steps. Okay. Draw, you just draw. Okay. Put the window here, put the door here. Okay. And don't forget to put the section and elevation. This. Okay, how to draw. This one you can just copy this. Okay. Move it here. Okay. Use polyline to draw the arrow. And then hatch. H for hatch. Hatch here. Okay, but you use the solid. This one, use the solid. Okay. Use solid, then here also. Copy. CO, copy. Okay, then rotate. On the effect. Okay. This one, you know what is this or not? Section and elevation indicator. This one, that means from here, later we will do section. Cut AA, cut like that. See? The AA cut like that, and then BB cut here. BB cut here. Okay? BB cut here. Then for elevation, you have the elevation A, elevation B, elevation C, and elevation D. ABCD. This is the ground floor. Okay? So your homework today, very simple. You just finish all this, and then I got another one for you, which is the first floor. Okay, first floor. You just do the ground floor and first floor. That's all for your homework. And then show me once you have done. Please tick. Any more question? I think that's all right. I think that's all. So that's all for today. I hope that you learned something today. Please plot all your assignment 1 and then send to me your PDF file and then start your assignment 2, ground floor and first floor. That's all for today. Thank you, class. Bye-bye.